What is cryptocurrency? Hi guys and welcome. My name is Nawid Crypto. I am one of the leading experts in online school Moneyfest. Today I'm going to simply explain for you guys what a cryptocurrency is and how you can get started. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and write a comment below about anything to do not miss any further updates about cryptocurrency and watch this video till the end with me. Now, simply, cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency or a digital money. Like we have dollar, we have euro, we have rands, and it is in a digital form. Secondly, it uses cryptography. It means it secure coding for transactions and controlling the new units. Unlike traditional money, it is decentralized. What does it mean? It means that there is exactly no authority, no one controlling your fund, your wallet, and your account. There is no bank and no government to confirm your transaction, and you are your own boss. Now, how does exactly it works? There are basically four features. First of all, it's called decentralization. It means you do not need any authority to control your account or to confirm your transaction, like banks, governments, or any other organizations. And apart from that, P2P transactions or peer-to-peer transactions. It means you can send and receive cryptocurrency directly with each other. Most importantly, cryptography. It means it secures and verifies the transaction using blockchain technology. And most importantly, it is in a digital form. It means it only exists online. There is no physical bills or coins available. Now, if we simply compare the cryptocurrency and traditional currency, there are basically three main differences. First of all, if you guys have ever used from Swift or Western Union or MoneyGram for sending your money to other country to someone, first of all, there is a bank, government, or an organization. They control your money, they check and they confirm your transactions. And if you talk about the speed, you have to wait at least from 1 to 3 working days. And the security is not highly safe and secure. On the other hand, the cryptocurrency, there is no centralization. It means you have full control, full power, and full authority over your wallet. You can send anywhere, anytime, day, night, holiday, Christmas, anytime exactly that you want. And the speed, you can do the transactions within minutes, even within seconds. And the security is basically secured using encryptions, which make it harder for counterfeiting and hacking. So it basically uses the high technology, which is very secure and safe. Now, what is blockchain? Simply, it's a chain of blocks connected to each other, and every single block they records cryptocurrency transactions, and each of them are connected to each other. So it ensures the transparency, security, and immutability. It means that in one of the blocks, every single transaction, once it's recorded and stored, it cannot be changed. And this is the best feature about cryptocurrency because it's highly secure and highly safe. Now, how you guys can use cryptocurrency and get started? Basically, there are two main applications: Coinbase, Binance. Coinbase is basically very easy to buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrencies. But Binance is a very popular and major exchange in the crypto market because it has the largest amount of users and the largest trading volume. And as a wallet, Trust Wallet is a secure mobile wallet application where you can store your cryptocurrency safely. Now, if you are interested and ready for a journey in cryptocurrency, do not forget about this amazing opportunity. Crypto investments successful start too. And you can get access with 70% discount. Just hit the link in the descriptions and let's get started earning in cryptocurrency on a regular basis and let's achieve our goals. I'll see you in my course. Bye.